And welcome back, Real Man's Garage. We're inside today because it's raining outside. Anyway, we're here today for the third video in the series of the RUKO F11PRO 2 camera drone. Okay, this one's the final verdict. Is it worth it? Is it not? Do you keep it? Do you sell it? Do you buy it? Okay, this comes in two versions, either the short version, which this one is going to be, or the long version. If you want the long version, it gives you all the details as to what, when, where, why, how, and who, all that kind of stuff. Here's the link up there. It's the long one. This is going to be the short, condensed Cole's Notes version. Okay? Let's get into it. Hello, and you're back for the short version. Here's the short version. The RUKO F11PRO 2 video camera drone. Is it recommended for purchase in the year 2025?
It's not my first choice.
I'm of the same opinion. In the end, not my first choice. Okay, it does have a few really interesting aspects to it, but I'm going to go through a few of the reasons on a short version of why I chose really not to recommend this as a purchase in 2025. Remember, the pricing of it, about $450 US. You get the case, 2 batteries, controller, drone. That's the only way you can buy it. You can't buy it with 1 battery. You can't buy it in a box set. It's $450. That's it. That is restrictive in a purchase sense, seeing as all the competition you can buy in varying degrees of bundles. Okay, here we go. Okay, in the short version, I asked the question of RUKO, what's the main reason people would buy a drone that's over 250 grams? This is 360 on the pad, ready to go. Their answer was AI generated, I swear. I put the same question in my AI generators. I got the exact same answers. So there you go. Here we go. They said, okay, better performance, wind resistance, speed, more powerful motors, better range, longer flight time, superior camera quality, and generally for users with higher demands. Let's go through that with the RUKO. The RUKO, okay. Wind resistance, this is a level 5. A lot of sub 250 gram drones are level 5s. And when I say sub 250 grams, I'm not talking about your Walmart special. I'm talking about the ones that are worth buying, like some of the FEMIs and stuff, okay? The Atom, the Potensic Atoms, things like that, okay, that are 4K video, 3-axis gimbal, updatable, programmable, etc., 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 okay? That's what I'm talking about, okay? So the wind resistance, it falls short on that. Speed, the maximum speed of this is 8 meters per second. Most of the other sub 250 grams are 10 meters per second. Oh, no, pardon me, are 16 meters per second. Okay, so it falls short on speed, which goes to the next one, more powerful motors. If it had more powerful motors, it would go faster. But because of the lack of power in the motors, it not only can't go faster, it doesn't have the precise handling that it should for a drone over 250 grams. Okay, then we go into the range. This has an advertised range of 3 kilometers. Most of the sub 250 gram drones that are out there, they're 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers. Okay, this says 3, and you don't even get that. Okay, then you go into the flight time, 35-minute flight time. But RUKO says you only get 35 minutes flight time if you fully discharge the battery. Fully drain the battery. It's a LiPo battery. Don't ever, ever, ever fully drain a LiPo battery. It can cause irreversible damage, okay? And over time, it can cause premature explosions. Think about that. Don't ever. The lowest I go is like 15%, 10% at the very, very bottom. Don't go below that, because then you're going to damage it at some point. Okay, we've got superior camera quality. No, it's a 1/3.2 camera that's been around for 8 or 9 years, and it has no adjustments. It is what it is. It's auto shoot. That's it. No EV, white balance, nothing. Okay, so in an over 250 gram drone, you expect to have some control over that camera. Okay, generally it's for users with higher demands. I agree. higher demands. It didn't meet any of these demands, from what I can see. Okay, there you go. Then I asked RUKO, I said, okay, who are you marketing this for? Their reply was, for the hobbyist. Okay, I get that, yeah, okay. The semi-professional photographer. I got a hard pill on that one because you can't even adjust the camera. So I'm tech-savvy consumers. Tech-savvy consumers for over 250 grams want what we listed before, and we're not getting it in this drone. So tech-savvy, don't know. Looking for feature-rich drones. It's got a couple of features, like the GPS follow and the fly-around mode and the route planner that you can't even save a route. Okay. In the mid-price range. Well, again, as I said, it only comes in this package. Okay, so mid-price compared to others, I think it's in the high end, very high end. Okay. Also, it's supposed to have GPS. It does 4K video. It does long battery life. That's depending. I say the safe battery life about 20-25 minutes. Intelligent flight modes. It's got a couple, but anyway, and without the premium price tag. It is a premium price tag for what it is, because it's basically a sub 250 gram drone, but it's over. So it's basically overweight, underpowered, overpriced, underwhelming. Again,
It's not my first choice.
but as not being my first choice, here's a little video clip I took of going around a new water tower that's being built in town, and it was pretty good, pretty good. I did have an issue with, in the end of that, there was a slight breeze, but not much, but the gimbal went a little wonky, and it's something I did find out that I wasn't aware of before. If you go out and you're taking a video and it disconnects, it stops that video. Yep. Okay, anyway, that's about it. Do I recommend this as a purchase for a over 250 gram drone in Canada in 2025? No, because it's underpowered, overpriced, underwhelming, and it's overweight. It should be a 250 gram or less, but it can't be. It only comes in one package, $450. It's very expensive. Okay, so not really a recommendation, not my first choice, but it does have some good options to it. If the price were dropped drastically by like 50%, maybe some people might buy it, but I wouldn't really flood the market in Canada with this because I don't think you're going to get your money out of it. Okay? Till next time, take care, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell. Let's see what's next.